get ready with me a little bit more. Sorry if I'm talking loud. I got out from the dentist like 3 hours ago, and this is supposed to swell down in an hour, and I was there for more than an hour because my sister had to get everything done. You can see it's a little bit red because they numbed it, and like I put water here, like and I feeling hurt so bad. So like basically I'm just gonna be talking like this because honestly when I talk like that, like I can't right there and gonna see that the skin peeling, the gum, whatever. So I'm not trying to pick at it and like because it's gonna hurt so bad after. And when I talk like that, how you guys end and down and blood's gonna start going down again.